There's some breaking update as well coming in from Kolkata at this point in time related to this case. The CBI team, we are being told, has taken RG Kar Medical College and Hospital rape and murder incident accused Sanjay Roy for medical. That's what we are learning. And 4 trainee doctors are also being questioned in this case. So 2 important developments from Kolkata. Let me go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's joining us live from Kolkata at this point in time. Sabyasachi, so the main accused who is in custody has been taken for medical, but simultaneously 4 trainee doctors are being questioned as well. What more updates do you have?
Well, see, there is a slight correction that the main accused was earlier being taken out of by the CBI to be taken for the medical. But again, the main accused has been brought back at the CBI office. Now, on the other hand, the 4 trainee doctors have been summoned by the CBI for further questioning. See, the CBI right now is investigating this matter. Meanwhile, on the other hand, we are seeing that the political slowdown is continuously going on. See, as far as the mob violence that we had seen at RG Kar Hospital, around 19 of them have been arrested by the Kolkata police so far, and the Kolkata police is still on the manhunt. Now, on the other hand, we are seeing that the CBI is actively investigating this matter. So far, they have summoned the 4 trainee doctors to the CBI office to question them regarding the sequence of events, and also we had seen that the war of words simultaneously is going on between the political parties. On one hand, it is the Trinamool Congress who have been blaming the BJP and the left for their alleged role behind the mob that vandalized the RG Kar Medical Hospital's emergency ward. On the other hand, it is the BJP and the CPIM who has been levelling charges against the Trinamool
Well, we are seeing charges being leveled by the BJP as well, and there are going to be several protests as well during the day by these political parties too. Sabyasachi, requesting you to stay on with us. Let me also now quickly go across to my colleague Deepak Bopanna, who's joining us live from Bengaluru. Deepak, over to you. Tell us, what is it that the doctors have to say, and also the way developments have happened in this case so far. Are they satisfied? What is it that they are demanding now?
Well, at this point in time, the Karnataka Association of Resident Doctors, have come together and they've decided to raise their voice over what's happened in Kolkata. They were, of course, staging a protest earlier this week. It was primarily over the increase in stipend. But now you're looking at all of them, of course, who've decided that they should raise their voice against, what has happened in Kolkata, especially after, vandalism, especially after, several, loopholes that are coming to the fore as far as the investigation is concerned. So let's try and get in a few voices as well about this particular protest. What's happening in Kolkata across the country. We're looking at doctors who are staging their protest. When you look at even vandalism that's taking place at the hospital, how does